It's oral communication now. Ask the students to role play the dialogue. It's at page 95 and SLO is number 9. Rashid. Assalamu alaikum, Akmal. Wa alaikum assalam, Rashid. You seem very happy today. Akmal. Yes, I just had an interesting chat with my cousin. Rashid. Oh, chatted online. Akmal. Yes, internet has made it possible. We can contact our friends and relatives anywhere in the world. It also helps us in our studies. One can Google and find answers to their questions. Rashid. Yes, it is a great facility and a necessity of today. Akmal. You're right. It also provides us different types of entertainment. We can play games, watch and listen to music, cartoons, movies, news, etc. Rashid. Exactly. It has so much to offer that we can never get bored. Akmal. Yes, you are right. It's getting late. I have to go. Allah Hafiz. Rashid. Allah Hafiz.